Sup YouTube, this is 180 and today I'm going to do a review on my Mossberg m590. I got this a couple days ago from Academy Sports. If you haven't seen my first video I made of this gun, that was basically, I was rushing on that one. So I'm probably going to stay 5 minutes making this video. So yeah, let's get started with the gun. So basically the whole body is plastic, you know. It feels like there's nothing in the bag. There's no weight in the bag. The mag holds 180 BBs in the chamber. Let me get the mag out. 180 BBs in this chamber right here. Trap door. And you put the string down, you shake it, and the bees go in. Right here it holds maybe 12 BBs. So yeah, just put it in. And the mag release is a little button right here. You just push it. Okay. You just push it. Just put it back in. It makes not really like a loud click, it just makes a little ching noise. There's a safety up here, up for safe, see, and down for fire. So the pump is very easy. You just down, up, and take it off of safe, aim and shoot. So yeah, and you got like this design right here, and this shotgun is capable of slam fire. If you guys don't know what slam fire is, excuse me, that's when you just hold the trigger and you pull the pump back, and then it works just like that. So that's my review of my Mossberg m590 from Academy Sports. And once again, comment, rate, and subscribe. See ya.